Soothe Cough Drop Gum. Long-lasting gum for relieving symptoms of sore throats and coughs. Did you know? The average adult gets 2 to 4 colds a year? In 2015, the US in total consumed about 1.5 million cough drops. What if we told you there's a new kind of cough drop? For the first time, we developed a product called Soothe Cough Drop Gum, with ingredients that include pain relievers and cough suppressants that help relieve cold symptoms. Our benefits include long-lasting gum that help relieve cold and cough symptoms, and xylitol, which helps prevent cavities. Soothe Cough Drop Gum comes in mint, berry, and grape flavors and is sold for $2 a pack. Soothe Cough Drop Gum. Come soothe with us.